Sometimes we come across the need of searching data in Excel. For example, in this case, if I want to search the name which is Rabi, so in that case, else we can press Control F, which is a shortcut, or I can go to the home and you can see on the right hand corner, which is find and select. I click on it, you can see the find function. I click on it again, you can see that it is there. I've already typed in to try it before recording this video. So let me find it out again. Few options, let me remove it. So if I type again, which is Ravi, and if I click on this find next, so it'll find one by one. If I click on this find all, it'll show me a list over here in this worksheet, wherever we have this word Ravi and the name of the cells. If I click on that, it'll go to that particular cell and I can find it out. If you want to find out Ravi only in this particular column, in A columns, select the column itself, or you can select the range itself and then you can press Control F and then Ravi, and if I find it, now it will find only in the selection. It is pretty much handy. And if you want to replace Ravi with any other text or any number, so you'll go to this Ravi, and Ravi, I want to change it with Samir, for example, and I have a selection only, so I can replace all or replace one by one. If I click on replace all, let's see, now it has replaced and there are 4 replacements in total. I press OK, and if I press close, there is again a shortcut to replace it, which is Control H is to replace, Control F is to find, and Control H is to replace. Now in any case, if you have some data in your sheet for which you want to do a spelling check, so in that case I have written a small text over here which is hello and welcome. Intentionally I have written a wrong spelling for and welcome. Now I have selected this cell and I can go to review, and either I click on the spelling or there is a shortcut for that which is F7. So I click on it, I can see that is coming, and it is straight away showing me that A and DD is basically a suggestion is and. So I can click on this change and that will get changed, and again welcome, so I can click on change and it is get changed. Now in this case you can say that my name is Lokesh. So if I write LOK and if I press enter, it will making my whole name, because what I have done is I have put in the name over here as RAV, for example, and if I press enter, it is not showing Ravi. Why? For that, if you want to add anything specifically in your program, Excel program, we have to go to File tab, Options, and in option we have to go with Proofing, Autocorrect Options. In here, for example, I want RAV to be replaced with RAVI Ravi, and I click on add. I'll press OK, again OK, and again RAV, enter, and there we go, that Ravi is coming. So you can put your company's name which you're using again and again, or your name or any customer's name, so that would be pretty handy. Thank you.